Zanussi fridge freezers use alarms to signal issues like open doors, high temperatures, or defrost problems. Don't panic. Most alarms are fixable with simple resets. First, determine why the alarm is sounding. Is the door ajar? Is the fridge too warm? Is there excessive ice buildup? Knowing the cause is the first step to fixing it. We'll cover door, temperature, and defrost alarms specifically. Remember to always unplug the unit before attempting any repairs to ensure safety. For newer smart models, check the Electrolux app for self-diagnostics and remote reset options. For door alarms, ensure the door is fully closed and the seal is clean and intact. A warped seal is a common culprit. Close firmly for 5 to 10 seconds. For temperature alarms, unplug the fridge for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. Adjust the thermostat to the correct setting. Fridge 4 to 5 degrees, freezer to 18 degrees, and use a thermometer to verify. For defrost alarms in frost-free models, try a forced defrost by holding the defrost button for 3 to 5 seconds. Manual defrosting may be necessary if the coils are heavily iced. If alarms persist after these steps, a faulty sensor or PCB board might be the issue, requiring professional help.